everybody, it's Melanie, and I'm really excited to do this video for you today. If you guys have been watching my videos, you know how much I bitch and moan about my aging, sagging, wrinkling skin, and I'm always trying to find a way to fight the signs of aging. I even went so far as to make my own facelift hack. And if you haven't seen that video, I will put it up here for you. And after making that video, a lot of you guys were yelling at me about my bangs covering my face, making me look older. Well, you know what? I actually listen to you, and I'm growing them out. And I hope you're happy, because honestly, oh my God, do I have a booger on my nose? I hope you're happy, because I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to deal with this, because I don't like showing off my wrinkly forehead. But today, I'm gonna try this Korean face lifting tape. And before I get started today, I just want to give a shout out to my girls over at Coco and the Muse. They also do a channel that's very similar to this. They're in their 50s and they experiment with all kinds of skincare products, and one of them is actually a licensed esthetician. And man, Tiffany, if you're watching, I really want you to fix my face. Definitely check out their channel. They're really, really cute. All right, so let's get to the program. This is a product called Dodo Label, and maybe I am a dodo for trying this. And I bought these for like $3 on Amazon, and there is absolutely no English on this package. All there is just a little picture like that. And I did watch a couple of videos of people trying it, just so I don't look like a complete asshole doing this for you, but you know, I don't know. And they gave me a little guide here. So that's about it. Now, a lot of the women that use this tape, they use it mostly just kind of like to, you know, change the shape of their face, but that's not why I'm using it today. I want to try it to help me lift up these ugly sagging jowls and marionette lines. So let's see if it will work for something like that. Okay. Oh, they're kind of small. So this is what the product looks like. They look like little Band-Aids. And I'm gonna rip one off. And before I get started, I'm gonna get my hair out of my face. And by the way, did you know that lifting your hair out of your face gives you an instant facelift? So if these don't work, I can always do that. One thing I wanna note though, is if you put makeup on with your hair out of your face, like my little winged eyeliner here, as soon as you take your hair down, they're gonna go bleh. It's a struggle I deal with every day. Okay, let's get down to it. So the first thing I want to do is find out on my face where I should apply these strips, because oh my God, if my boogers are glistening on camera, I am so sorry. So anyway, all right, let's find out on my face where I want to put this. So this is the area I want to get rid of. So they say, like, I don't know that I want to put it here, because I don't think that's really going to help. I think I want to put it like more like here. If I put it here, it kind of lifts up my jowls and marionette lines, right? Oh shit, I have to take off some of my makeup. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. So I got myself a little micellar water. I love this stuff, by the way. This is just Garnier micellar water. It is awesome for just taking off makeup. I'm gonna just take off a little makeup right here. All right, so I'm probably gonna completely fuck this up. All right, so I'm gonna remove it. It's like removing a Band-Aid. And there's like little arrows. Oh, okay, look at that. It stretches. Oh, I probably don't want to screw that with that right now. Okay, I'm gonna take off one side of this. All right, here we go. I'm gonna be looking in a mirror when I'm doing this. So this is where I want it. All right, so I put it here. I'm holding it down for a minute. I'm holding my face. And I'm gonna remove the tape there. Oh my goodness. Am I doing this right? Oh, I don't really like how it's wrinkling up my skin like that. That's ugly. All right. Ooh, I think I told you I would fuck this up. Okay, let's try it a little bit lower down here. Okay, I'm lifting, I'm lifting, I'm lifting. And place. All right, it's on there. Look at, oh, yeah. Wow, how obvious is that? Okay, now I'm gonna take this off. The outside of it is not sticky, so that's good. Let's take this last one off. Boop. I don't think I'm gonna go out in public like that. But ooh, look at those cheekbones. Yum, 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 yum. All right, let's try it on the other side. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna take one side off. Ta-da. And let's put it here. I'm gonna try a little bit further back this time. Sticking it. Oh, did I really just do that? Wow, I'm an idiot. Okay. I guess I have to take that white thing off. What the hell was I just doing right now? All right, there we go. It's on. Oh, now I'm taking off this white thing here. Oh shit, stretching. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, look. Okay, so I put them on, they're crooked, but I kind of like that. This time it's not like, this time my skin isn't wrinkled underneath, but the freaking tape is. Look, look. Very nice. Oh my God, I really like that. Look, there's no freaking gels here. Ooh, yum, yum, yum. Okay, you know what? Let's do it again on this side. I think I just need to reposition it a little bit better. And you can't really even tell. So like, I'll take my hair down in a minute and we'll take a look. Now if I can get this off. I don't know if I can reuse this. Oh yeah, look at what it does. Oh, I guess there's still makeup on it. Let's try one more time. Let's try a fresh one. Take the white off and put it further back on my face. I'm going behind my cheekbones and I'm stretching it up to my temples. And it wrinkled my skin again. Ugh, you know what? The hard part is the positioning, I think. I'll go a little bit lower. Okay, here we go. I don't like that little wrinkle thing that was going on there because that looks silly. Okay, I'm just gonna hold it there for a second, warm it up with my fingers, and remove it. What do you guys think? I'm kinda liking it, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna try to put some makeup on over it. Oh, that was kind of not a good idea. So, all right, it's making the edges lift up. See that? All right. So we probably don't want to do that. Let's take down the hair. I'm kind of liking it. I really am. Look. I am pretty damn impressed. For about $3, I just lifted up my jowls. So children, what have we learned today? We learned that you can get rid of your jowls and marionette lines for $2 on Amazon. We also learned that you cannot put makeup on top of these things because it will make these things lift. And then we also learned that you need to freaking cover it up with your hair and stop bitching at me about doing that because that's the only way to hide this stuff. So this was a fun little experiment. I'm glad I got to try this with you. So let's check out the before and afters. Do you notice a difference? I feel like I do. What do you think? Leave me a comment and let me know. If you want to buy some of these for yourself, they were so cheap. I will put the link up on my video below of where I got them. And did you know that I also write a blog called cheapandcheeky.com? The link is up above, so if you want to read some of my silly rants and rambles, or some of my cheeky product reviews and how-tos, or even if you want to learn some of my cheap life hacks, check out the blog for yourself. And as always, thank you so much for watching. How do we like this? I think it's pretty sexy. Except I can't breathe.